大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋會講分享3，我係香港人。I think you will hear this sentence a lot when somebody introduce themselves with you, especially they are Hong Kongers. So, what does it mean? 我 is I or us, right? But here it is subject position, so we say it is I. 係 verb to be. 香港 Hong Kong. 人 means peoples from Hong Kong. So Hong Kongese. I am a Hong Kongese. 今日係第一部分，我哋會做2樣嘢。學習目標 learning target. 詞語表 vocabulary list. Okay, let's start. 學習目標 learning targets. 第一個，認識打招呼嘅方法。I'm quite sure you know the meaning of this phrase because you see this phrase in the last 2 sharing as well. 認識 to know, to familiarize. 打招呼 greeting. 嘅 apostrophe s 方法 methods. So to know the methods of greeting. 第二個，介紹自己喺邊度嚟。介紹自己喺邊度嚟。介紹係 to introduce 自己 oneself 喺邊度嚟。So 喺 is, you can say this is a verb or a preposition. So here it means if this is a preposition and then come with the verb 嚟 to come, it means to come from. Okay, 喺 and then 嚟. In the middle, it should be a place. So what is the question word for a place? It is 邊度 means where. So it means to introduce oneself where he or she come from. 喺 somewhere 嚟. We will learn this phrase later. Okay, 詞語表，跟我讀一次。香港 Hong Kong. 韓國 Korea. Sometimes you will hear people say 國 as 國. Sometimes the labialization, the lip rounding feature will be dropped. So 國 will pronounce as 國. But here, I will say 韓國. Okay, the lip rounding. 印度 India. 日本 Japan. 英國 the United Kingdom. Or you may hear people say 英國. 美國 USA. 泰國 Thailand. 台灣 中國 So 1 to 9 is the name of the place. 10 to 12 is some word that you need to know when you introduce where you come from. The first one, originally it means people, which is 人 And then 喺 it has 2 meanings and serve as different grammatical functions. The first one is it acts as a verb, which means to be in, on, at. So if I say 我喺香港, it means I am in Hong Kong now. But it also serves as another function, which is a preposition. It means in, on, at a time or a place. For example, 我喺香港住 means to live. Then it means that I live in Hong Kong. Okay, next one. 嚟 or 嚟 or 嚟. It means to come. So if you will say, I'm from Taiwan, you will say 我喺台灣嚟，我話我喺台灣嚟 also correct， 得唔得？跟我讀多次 Let's read it one more time。 香港、韓國、印度、日本、英國、美國、泰國、台灣、中國。 1 to 9 is names of place. 10 to 12 are the vocabulary that you need to know when you introduce where you come from. 人喺嚟嚟 Okay? 知多啲 means to know a bit more. 地方 is place. 人 present, right? If we add 人 after 地方, it means that a present from that place. So something something like this. There are 5 questions, so let's do it together. 跟我讀一次。印度人、香港人、英國人、韓國人、日本人。印度記唔記得係咩？ India, right? So, if we add 人 it means people from the India. So it is Indian. 第二題，香港人，香港 is Hong Kong, right? So add 人 means people from Hong Kong. So it is Hong Kongese or Hong Kongers. 英國人，英國 is UK, right? So people from the UK. So it is British. 韓國人，韓國 is Korea. So, 韓國人 means people from Korea. It is Korean. 日本人，日本 is Japan. So, people from Japan, we will say Japanese. Japanese. 第二樣嘢我想你哋知嘅係呢一個短語。The second thing I want you to know is this phrase, because this phrase is very useful. 喺 plus 地方 plus 嚟 or 嚟. It means to come from that place. Okay, to come from that place. So, for example, if I'm not in Hong Kong now, maybe I'm in the UK. If I say 我喺香港嚟, it means I come from Hong Kong. Okay? So sometimes you can also add the place here after 嚟 means the location you are now in. So for example, 我喺台灣嚟香港 means I come from Taiwan to Hong Kong means I'm now in Hong Kong. Okay? 喺 a place 嚟. So if I'm come from Taiwan, you will say 喺台灣嚟。Okay? 跟我讀一次。喺台灣嚟。喺台灣嚟。So here, maybe now you are in the UK, then you can say 喺台灣嚟英國。Okay? But if this is mutually understand or mutually known, you can drop this one. Okay? You can drop this object. 第二題，喺 USA 嚟 USA is 美國 So here we will say 喺美國嚟跟我讀一次喺美國嚟 OK 第三題喺 Thailand 嚟 Thailand is 泰國 So 喺泰國嚟 跟我讀一次，喺泰國嚟 means come from Thailand。最後尾嗰個喺 China 嚟 ，so you can say 喺中國嚟，喺中國嚟，得唔得？好，完之前我哋讀多一次。Before we end this video, let's read it one more time. 香港、韓國、印度、日本、英國、美國、泰國、台灣、中國人喺嚟。If you would like to know how to read your home times in Cantonese, you may leave a comment in these videos. I will reply you. 今日講完啦，下次見，記得 like, comment, share 啊，拜拜。